Welcome to Fortune Channel. Today we are talking about skiing and 5 surefire reasons why you should go on that skiing holiday. Solid proof for what we've lengthy suspected, skiing and skiing are suitable for you. And that's now not simply because they're both notable, amusing and placed a smile to your face, however, because this also improves our health, happiness, purple blood cell matter and makes us live longer. The proof has usually been there for us to see, the bearded septuagenarian bounding beyond you for the 15th time as you battle down your first run of the day. Here's his secret. Sunlight. Are you sad? 1 in 50 humans in the UK be afflicted by a seasonal affective ailment that's a type of depression that usually takes place at some point of the winter months while the days are shorter. You tour to and from work inside the dark, are cooped up inside the workplace all day, and degrees of serotonin, the brain's natural mood lifter, drop. SADS can vary from moderate iciness blues to extra severe shape where humans can't function inside the winter without remedy. So get treatment and stand up at the mountain. You may also get depressed about the fee of a lager on the slopes, but that's not quite the equal thing. Adrenaline. We're all simply animals, obviously. A few creationists may additionally disagree, but we need to work out our fight or flight responses. What safer, or better, way of doing this than searching out the steepest black run you could find, or something only a little bit past your ordinary consolation zone? The adrenaline surge will set off the beta receptors to your nervous system, causing your coronary heart to beat faster and growing air to the lungs. This stimulates the brain, and the endorphin rush of remedy while it's over will make you sense like a superhuman after each run. You can then undo the best work completed by means of celebrating with a few après-ski in the bar afterward. Altitude. Can the information get any better? Just being at altitude can make you thin, match, and desirable. As a minimum, the first two are true. A couple of years ago, the Austrian moderate altitude study was carried out. Men who have been overweight and suffered from excessive blood pressure and high cholesterol had been prescribed walks at an altitude of between 1400 m and 2000 m. The result? Exercise at altitude improves heart function and circulation, lowers blood pressure and burns calories. They're changed into additionally an extended wide variety of younger red blood cells. So, as a long way as the theory goes, skiing rocks, and simply getting off at the pinnacle of the Aiguille du Midi, 3842 m, may want to upload years to your lifestyles. Fresh air. Spending time inside the amazing outdoors helps to prevent disease and increase recovery. You can avoid the pretty nasty particles which drift around within the city air. According to a few Harvard boffins of their 6 cities 1993 examine, those humans living inside the maximum polluted cities have a 26% greater danger of dying young than those within the cleanest. So supply yourself a smash from the congested traffic and polluted air and breathe in that fresh, crisp, revitalizing mountain air. Learning. Learning is ideal for us. Your dad and mom instructed you so, and they were right, however they and you want to heed that advice. Learning new capabilities later in existence can sluggish down the onset of dementia. Attempting challenges including getting to know a foreign language, which you may practice at the bar, or new abilities, such as skiing, will reduce the chance of getting age-related signs and symptoms and diseases along with Alzheimer's. So what are you waiting for? Skiing isn't always only exquisite amusing, however also scientifically tested to be accurate for you. Now that definitely is an unbeatable combination. Thank you for visiting Fortune Channel. Please subscribe and like Fortune Channel for more interesting videos.